Hello everyone, welcome to the 106th episode of me learning how to trade in Forex. So in the last episode we went through how much time can you dedicate to Forex trading along with all the other ones in the developing your own trading plan. So your time availability should determine your trading style. Don't forget about the distractions during the day, so basically your real life, stuff that happens in real life. Also, we need to dedicate time to develop and tweaking your trading system. So trading system required to stare at charts, looking for possible entries. Once you're in a trade, you then need to manage it. After your exit, you need time to review your trade and look for ways to improve. Then you need time to write everything you've done, you felt in your trading journal. And then how much time you'll need to accomplish all this will depend on your trading system. Naturally, your trading system needs to factor in how much time you can dedicate, and this is all assuming you have one trading system. And all of this process should be repeated for every trading system you wish to trade. And whatever operating hours you decide to dedicate to Forex, just make sure you're able to commit to it consistently. That's that. So now we're on to what kind of returns do you expect to make from Forex trading? I want to make some money! Of course. Anybody who's interested in Forex trading certainly has ambitions of raking in some dough. Trading involves risk and would expect to be compensated for those risks. There's no doubt that every currency trader expects to make a profit. The question that you should ask yourself though are this: what kind of returns do I expect to make, and how much risk am I willing to get these returns? What kind of returns do I expect to make, and how much risk am I willing to take to get these returns? Is the fifth question for self-reflection. Your answer to these questions will play a huge role in determining what kind of trading style you will implement, what currency pairs and times you will trade, and most importantly, the risks involved in achieving your goals. Let's take a look at an example to help explain this better. The answer to these questions will determine what kind of trading style you will implement, what currency pairs and times you will trade, and the risks involved in achieving your goals. Let's take a look at an example to help explain this better. Mario and Luigi. Let's say there are two Forex traders, Mario and Luigi. Luigi is looking to score 10% a year, while Mario is a little bit more ambitious. He wants to double his account and make 100% returns, and marry a super hot princess. As you can imagine, a trader like Mario who's looking to double his account is in a very different situation. It is very likely that Mario will have to take a lot more trades and or risk than Luigi. He will have to expose himself to more potential losses if he ever wants to achieve his goal of 100% returns. Traders will also have to take into consideration drawdowns. A drawdown is normally calculated as a distance from the highest value of your account to the next lowest point. So a drawdown is normally calculated as the distance from the highest value, normally calculated as the distance from the highest value of your account to the next lowest point. We'll explain this a little bit more in a later lesson. For now, pay attention in class. Each Forex trader must decide how big of a drawdown he or she can accept in order to hit their profit target goals. On one hand, there are Forex traders who are risk averse and would rather have small drawdowns. The trade-off is that this will also limit potential profits. On the other hand, there are Forex traders who are comfortable with large drawdowns, just as long as their system also yields huge returns. You will also have to take into consideration how much time you can dedicate to trading. Traders will have to take into consideration drawdowns, traders will have to take into consideration how much time you can dedicate to trading. If you can't dedicate a significant amount of time working on your trading system, reading up on the financial markets and learning how new trading techniques, reviewing your trade journal, then we can guarantee you that you will have a difficult time hitting your goals. Right, so if you can't dedicate a significant amount of time working on your trading system, reading up on the financial markets and learning new trading techniques, reviewing your trade journal. So, if you can't dedicate a significant amount of time working on your trading system, reading up on the financial markets, learning new trading techniques, and reviewing your trade journal, then you will have a hard time achieving your targets. If you can't make this time commitment, you may have to adjust your expectations as to how much you can make your account grow. In the end, just know that success depends on you. Do you have the discipline to grind out consistently to tweak your skills and gain the experience needed to navigate the markets? If you don't, then expect inconsistent returns, if any at all, over the long term. So you need to dedicate a decent amount of time. So to do this, basically, because Forex isn't just a like a 1 day, 2 day thing, so a significant amount of time is needed. What is your daily pre-trading routine? Trading routine? Waking up doesn't count. Having a pre-market routine is important. Don't think you can just jump out of bed, plop in front of your computer, fire up your Forex broker's platform and start easily grabbing pips as if they were apples from a very short apple tree. What activities will you do before you start trading? We don't mean showering and brushing your teeth. Although you should always take a shower and brush your teeth, you don't want to smell like a pip crawler now, do you? Your Forex trading routine should help you accomplish the following tasks. Your Forex trading routine should help you achieve the following tasks. Reviewing any open positions and making any necessary adjustments. Reviewing any open positions and making any necessary adjustments. Reviewing yesterday's trade. Getting yourself up to speed on the market. So basically I think that's just catching up on what the current financial news are. Identifying any upcoming news that could cause volatility. Identifying any upcoming news that could cause volatility. Being ready to trade when the next trading session opens. Being ready to trade when the next trading session opens. Now you will want to review the overall market news. This can be done online through sites such as Bloomberg or through television. CNBC, Bloomberg TV, BBC. Review the overall market news. Determine what the overall market sentiment is for the day. The overall market sentiment is for the day. Review yesterday's trades and how the previous trading session finished, and maybe identifying key market areas like support and resistance. And how the previous trading session finished. Identify key market areas such as support and resistance. Now it's time to start trading your system. Your pre-market routine will be critical to your success as a trader. It will help you plan your day so that you are not spending time during market hours scrambling trying to figure out what news or data will be coming out and what to do if the market does something you didn't expect. The pre-market routine will be critical to your success as a trader. Let's go, Mr. Market, I'm ready for you. You want to start your Forex trading session feeling calm, relaxed, and prepared for whatever the market throws at you. Keep up to date with both the fundamentals and technicals affecting the Forex market. So, keep up to date with the fundamentals and technicals affecting the Forex market. Use our economic calendar. Use the economic calendar. A Forex trader in the dark is a Forex trader in the red. Oof. So, what's Forex trading software, hardware, and other tools will you use? What toys will you use for your Forex trading profession? Write down the hardware, software, data feeds, furniture, and internet access that will comprise your currency trading desk. Don't forget backups. Make sure you have a backup plan for everything, just in case your main tools fail while in the trades. What if your computer crashes and doesn't boot back up? What if your internet connection goes down? What if your electricity goes out? Ensure you have backup plan for everything in case your equipment fails. while trading. What if your electricity goes out? What if your keyboard stops working? Finally, don't get suckered by all the razzle dazzle currency trading vendors, scammers, try to lure you with. Do you really need that 5000 chart pattern recognition software that displays in 4D IMAX? Probably not. Save your money and use it for the trading capital instead. Which broker platform should I use? Where will you execute your trades? It's not like you can just call in the bank and say, I want to go long Euro USD. Okay, fine. You could have done this in the past if you had $1 million, but we're living in the 21st century now. Time to get up to speed and use these online trading platforms. But it isn't that simple. Make sure you know the ins and outs of the broker you choose from, executing orders to, depositing and hopefully withdrawing money. Take the time to read our Choosing a Forex Broker lesson. You won't regret it. Time to get up to speed on the ensure you understand everything about your Forex broker, from executing orders to depositing to withdrawing money. Take time to read our Choosing a Forex Broker lesson. You won't regret it. I think we've done that already. I think this is one of like the first few lessons that we've done. There we go. This is the one, right? Actually, I don't think this is the one. No, it is the one. Choosing a Forex broker. Oh no, this is it, because I remember I didn't start splitting this up when I first done this, so this is the right bit. Choosing a Forex broker. But yeah, I should have split it all up when I first started it. I didn't realise it was that long, so all the first few bits are like bunched up together. But after everything's finished, I'm gonna go back and reread it all and just split it into the appropriate sections. So, but we have gone through the choosing a Forex broker lesson in one of the previous videos. Okay. 21 questions you should answer in your trading plan. Answer your trading plan. One of the leading causes for the failure of many businesses is their lack of planning. If you want to be successful in life and business, you need to have a plan for how to obtain that success. Trading is no different from any other business. It is important to have a written business plan for your trading, just as you would for any other business. Like we mentioned in the previous lesson, if you fail to plan, then you've already planned to fail. If you fail to plan, then you've already planned to fail. In other words, those who fail to plan out their trading like a business are doomed to fail. Here are 21 crucial questions that you should have an answer to as part of your trading plan. Right, okay, so 21 questions. Let's go. What are your specific reasons for wanting to become a trader? What are the specific reasons for wanting to become a Forex trader? What do you hope and gain from trading? Hope to gain from trading. What are your biggest strengths? What are your biggest weaknesses? How do you plan to address your weakness and leverage your strengths? You plan to address your weaknesses and leverage your strengths. What are the things that are going to separate you from a large majority of traders who fail? Things that are going to separate you from the large majority of traders who fail. Answering with hard work isn't enough. Lots of hard-working traders still fail. Whoops. Will the things you mentioned above actually give you an edge in the market so your trading outcomes generate a positive expectancy? Will the things you mentioned above actually give you an edge in the markets so your trading outcome generates a positive expectancy? What market or markets do you plan to trade and why? What market or markets do you plan to trade and why? So is that like the foreign, like which, that's not, I was going to say which trading session, but that's not it, it's Forex markets, isn't it? And all like commodities market, whatever, that sort of thing. How much time can you devote to actively following the FX market and the overall financial market? What is your trading style? Do you plan to scalp, day trade, swing trade, or position trade? Do you plan to scalp, day trade, swing trade, or position trade? Do the trading styles you've chosen reflect the reality of the amount of time that you can devote to trading? Do the trading styles you've chosen reflect the reality of the amount of time that you can devote to trading? At what times throughout the day or week are you planning to spend actually trading, researching trades, and then learning about the market? Times throughout the day or week are you going to spend time actually trading, researching trades, and then learning about the market? What trading systems will be using your criteria for entering and exiting trades? trading systems will you be using? What is your risk management strategy? Risk management strategy. How will you know if your trading system or strategy stops working? How will you know if your trading system or strategy stops working? After you've identified that trading system or strategy has stopped working, what will you do to address it? After you've identified that your trading system is or strategy has stopped working, what will you do to address it? What trading software and equipment will you use to trade, and how much is it? Software will you use? Software and equipment will you use to trade, and how much is it? Who will you use to access the market? What brokers will you use? Who will you use to access the markets? What brokers will you use? How much money do you plan to start the trade with? Do you plan to start to trade with? Is this money you can afford to lose without negatively affecting your current standard of living? This money you can afford to lose without negatively affecting your current standard of living? Do you plan to add money to your account, and if so, where is that money going to come from? Do you plan to add money to your account? If so, where is that money coming from? If you are profitable, do you plan to reinvest profits or withdraw some or all of them? You are profitable. Do you plan to reinvest profits or withdraw some or all of it? If you're really serious about trading, take time to ponder the questions above. What I wonder if there's like an appropriate quotation mark correct answer for all of these. Well, there obviously is like a what is it? I think some of them do have like a set correct answer maybe, but some of them are like open-ended questions, aren't they? Like so I don't really know what I'm meant to do with the answer. So how will you know if your trading system or strategy stops working? Is that just when you stop making profit most of the time? Like when you start making loss too many times? But then how would you define like too many times? So like what should be the correct answer for how would you know if your trading system or strategy stops working? So there is like a some correct answers which you should be looking at, or which you should be getting. So That answers my question. That's fine. Yep. Growth and success need direction and a sense of purpose. Growth and success need a direction and a sense of purpose, which must first be identified and clearly stated. They won't appear on their own. A clear roadmap forces accountability and responsibility, which sometimes may lead to a change in a plan, like when your trading system or strategy stops working. This is fine, but you won't know what change is even needed unless you've established on clear terms what is considered working and not working. Risks can be turned into opportunities, but first you need to have identified what the risks are. If not, when they arrive as a crisis, you'll be on your back foot, most likely panic and make poor and unprofitable decisions. As you can see, there are many things to consider before hitting that buy or sell button in your trading platform. Answering each question will not guarantee trading success, but not answering such question will almost certainly guarantee failure. The choice is yours. Results are usually proportional to the quality of the planning. Don't set yourself I'm assuming that's meant to say, don't set yourself up for failure. Set yourself up for success. Stick with your trading plan. Stick with your trading plan. A Forex trading plan is only effective if it's followed. You have to stick to it. You must stick to your trading plan. It sounds simple to do. It is really just common sense, but most traders still can't do it. Why oh why? Trader incompatibility. Let me say that again. Trader incompatibility. Incompatibility. A trading plan should be a personalized plan for you, a plan that fits your own goals, risk tolerances, and individual lifestyle. You must develop each component on an individual basis, never losing sight of the fact that it must be custom tailored to you and your needs. Not your girlfriends, not your boyfriends. Not even Ronald, your weirdo best friend whose head is shaped like a hamburger who likes to wear pink polka dot pants and is an aspiring rapper. Damn, yo my homie, my trading plan is the bizbomb. Your trading plan must be personalized for you. A plan which fits your own goals, risk tolerances, and individual lifestyle. You must develop each component on an individual basis, never losing sight of the fact that it must be custom tailored to you and your needs. You must develop each component on an individual basis, never losing sight of the fact that it must be custom tailored to you and your needs. Your trading plan must be made based on reality, not hope. Your trading plan must be based on reality, not hope. Based on reality, not on hope. If you're simply trying to copy somebody else's trading plan, or yours is based on false assumptions, then you will not be compatible with it and will have trouble following it. Solution: be honest with yourself, then revise your trading plan. Be honest with yourself, then revise your trading plan. So it may be a bit like, it may look bad in the beginning, but then as you go along following the plan, you can always improve upon it later to make it better. So for example, when in like the previous lessons it said you must dedicate a significant amount of time to reading the charts, reading up the financial news and all that. If in your trading plan at the beginning you might not have that much of a time throughout the day, so it might just say, oh, I only have like an hour or two during the day to learn about the Forex stuff. So then in the trading plan, just put down an hour or two, but don't put down like 3 hours or 4 hours, because you're hoping that, oh, you know what, I could free up another hour or two during the day maybe, when you probably won't be able to. So just put down 1 hour or two at the beginning of the trading plan, but then as you do follow the trading plan and you progress through it, then you could always revise that trading plan to put down like, oh, maybe I could dedicate another 1 hour to the trading plan, so maybe I could do 3 hours now. And then you could actually be able to follow along with that 3 hours instead of just starting up the trading plan with 3 hours like in the beginning, which might not even be possible to do. Trading plans are intended to be long term. Many Forex traders give up on their trading plan. Trading plan are intended to be long term. Many Forex traders give up on the trading plan, or often more specifically, the trading plan in the trading system in the trading plan. Why? They are unable to endure a string of losses. Rather than sticking it out through the inevitable rough times, they give up. Solution: be patient. Be patient with your trading plan. Trading according to a plan requires sticking to it through thick and thin. That takes discipline, rock solid discipline. Forex traders lacking discipline do not stick to their trading plans. You need to be disciplined, rock solid. Does it sound like we're beating a dead horse? Very good. Well, good. Stay disciplined. Self-destructive behavior. Some Forex traders have deeply ingrained psychological issues that will sabotage them. This can be resolved with hard work on oneself, but the trader must be self-aware of such issues first. You can't figure out a solution if you don't know the root problem. When you stop following your trading plan, you become rewarded for a lack of discipline, and you may start believing that abandoning a trading plan is no big deal. When you stop following your trading plan, you become rewarded for a lack of discipline, and you may start believing that abandoning a trading plan is no big deal. An unjustified reward may increase your tendency to abandon trading plans in the future. You may be prone to think, I was rewarded once, maybe I will be rewarded again, I'll take a chance. But the positive outcomes of undisciplined trading are usually short-lived, and a lack of discipline ultimately produces Forex trading losses. Distinguish justified wins from unjustified wins. A justified win is when you create a very detailed trading plan and follow the plan. A win that results from following a trading plan is justified and reinforces discipline. An unjustified win occurs when you drift from or completely ditch the plan. You might be rewarded, but the outcome occurred by chance. We wrote this before, I think in one of the first lessons in this section, basically. Yeah, justified win, unjustified win here. So that's good. You might as well flip a coin or hang a printed copy of your charts on the wall and throw darts at it to help you make trading decisions. The win is unjustified and can reinforce undisciplined trading. Solution: look in the mirror, hopefully you don't turn to stone. If you're personally having trouble sticking to your trading plan, most likely it's one of the reasons above. If it is, refer to a solution below it. Consistency is key. Maintaining discipline is vital for consistent and profitable forex trading. Trading is a matter of getting the law of averages to work in your favour. The winning trader is the one who first develops the skill to make the shot consistently so that at every possible opportunity the ball is likely to go through the basket. One must trade consistently following a specific trading plan on each and every single trade. Must trade consistently following a specific trading plan on each and every single trade. If you trade one approach this time and a different approach at another time, your performance will likely be all over the place too. What's more, you'll have a more difficult time pinpointing which strategy works and which doesn't. With discipline comes profitability. Don't let unjustified wins interfere with your ability to maintain discipline. Follow your trading plan and cement in the mindset that if you follow your plan, you will end up more profitable in the long run. Comes profitability. Don't let unjustified wins interfere with your ability to maintain discipline. Follow your trading plan and cement in the mindset that if you follow your plan, you will end up more profitable in the long run. So I'm going to leave this episode here. In the next video, we're gonna do the summary lesson for all of this section. So summary lesson of developing your own trading plan. Go through that. No quizzes this time. Okay. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.